I'm single.
You are single. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my beautiful.
I'm not looking for
What
anybody
is
though.
Smile? What is smile? Your smile is very good.
Thank you.
Yes. Wow. Gize ko faltani bare. Sadim bay sa guys. Warra gift yol dadar bu follow goda. Namni di bijang ko.
Hey guys, let's.
Disconnect ko di. I'm good. Where are you lost? Esabad.
How have you been? I did.
I've
Yes.
been,
I saw her like mascara.
Ethiopia.
You okay?
I'm okay. How are you?
Good. I'm good, thank you.
Please, I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Still miss you. Still. Last time I see you, still miss you.
Which country you from? Ethiopia?
Ethiopia, yes. East Africa.
He's Ethiopian, Karim. Guys, first gift times 3.
Yeah. You want to take me? You want to marry me? I'm single.
I don't know. You have to marry me. You're the man. Gav, thank you so much. Thank you, Gav.
Isang Faranji ngara wala ting jabat tani bar ang gift naman ako.
You have one of this for me?
Yes.
This one?
You have?
No, you have for me?
Yes.
This? This is for me?
Yes. Yes.
No, I want like big diamond, you know?
This is diamond.
No, this is green. I want
No green. This is camera. Real diamond. I give it for you.
Let me see. No. I check
What
it.
is your
It's not
problem?
diamond.
What
This is not diamond. It's very moldy.
Ethiopian diamond is very good. Like aqua color. You know aqua?
Aqua. This is 100%
Yeah.
Bob. Do you like jellyfish?
Yes.
This is Bob.
It's very expensive, right?
Yeah.
I bought for you.
For me.
Between.
But I want a new
Yes.
one. I don't want it from Depop. Have thank
Sila na
you.
fuletin. Kala siya siya man din kanang gabuse. Ama siya siya. Ama siya siya gise.
Go. Thank you.
Achin si bus.
As you can see, guys, I'm
Nothing.
short. What?
Ababudar ba guys? What a gift will
Guys, 2 more roses for speed if you can. You small or tall?
I'm very tall. I'm very tall.
Really? Like 2
Really?
meters?
1.85 like Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo?
Yes, like Cristiano Ronaldo.
Is he tall? He looks quite.
Il
What's
panalo
this-
mo braso
you know
baka
this
di mo
thing?
Ronaldo baka dali din dapat.
You know the thing in your hand? What is this? This one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
This is kurta. Say kurta.
Kurta.
Yeah.
What
Sadim
is
ba isa guys?
like this?
Kurta is a cultural stick.
Like
No
a-
golf. Like golf?
Yeah.
No. This is kurta.
Oh, it's so short.
Yes, very beautiful. And
What is it
amazing, right?
for?
Abicho ven kanu dem abicho abamala.
Nice
Sadim ba isa
explanation.
guys? Gifting kam ni ta cashier mango ni ta katap mango ni mati sa
What, you changed your picture? Why did you go green or something
What
for
is
sudden?
people? What you
Wait,
say?
Bob, was you always green?
Aya.
Wait, was Bob green? Why does his name look really different now? Hi.
What is people? What is people?
What is this for?
This one? This one is a cultural stick.
Oh, like a king or...
Oh, yes, like king.
Oh,
Yeah, like king.
nice. You know, I'm a queen.
You are queen, I'm king. Married is very beautiful wedding. Amazing people. Helle sidichisu.
How many people we're going to invite?
Isabella mando vezani ke ayate nya fude galche jisa you are coming Ethiopia like this song.
Yeah, we do
Yeah,
one in
you-
Ethiopia, one in London.
Jisa
You come to London first.
Sanikero
The first one is going to be in Meridian Grand. You know Edmonton? The first one will be there. Make sure your phone's in your pocket because you come in London. You know, they're going to take your phone. Do you have a nice phone?
Oh, you live London?
Yeah. You know, in London, you walk in the street, they're going to go...
I think
Your
you
phone
are
is going to
Brighton.
disappear.
I think you are Brighton.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
I said
yes,
London. No, I said London, but you said Brighton, so I said yeah.
Yo, I love Brighton and Manchester City and the Liverpool and the Manchester and so on.
He's wedding tux.
Oh, I love England. What is people?
He'll take his
What
wife.
is people?
Gav, thank you so much. Thank you, Pav. SL,
Miskina na laligir.
what do we think of Tottenham? Shit. What do we think of shit?
Miskina na laligir. Sharing golden.
Guys, thank you. So, when are you coming, London?
I'm 3 years ago. I'm going to London.
Okay, but now you
London is
found
very
me.
beautiful.
You said you want to get married. So, next time, when you coming?
Next time I come Brighton
Okay, when are you coming, Brighton?
for you. I'm come for you next time.
When? Like, when?
Maljoget. City?
No, like, tomorrow.
No.
You sleep, wake up, Brighton.
Yes.
Are you coming tomorrow?
No tomorrow.
Fumble your wife.
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
2 weeks is too long. Maybe I'll get married.
No, it's long.
That's too long. I've been waiting so many years, and you want me to wait another 2 weeks?
Because I have too much company. This Ethiopia, Brighton company. I'm coming after 2 weeks. Because
how many children you have?
stop.
Pav, he's actually.
Tomorrow I'm going. Everybody stop my work. Because
How many babies you have?
Huh?
How many babies?
No.
How old are you? 25.
My years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, he's 25.
Yes.
You know, you come to London. How are you coming here? Like this? Woo. Like this or like this? Well, about gently down the... How are you going to come to London?
What is
Jet holiday. Like this? Or like this?
Like, oh no, airplane.
Oh, airplane. Okay.
Yeah. It's a new truth in Eagle.
Pav, thank you.
Landa yom dutta. Awa tafsira uno gurba gitara kana katabu be.
If he's 25,
you have baby?
yeah,
Have you
too many. I have 6.
How much? Di kala naman 6. Too much.
I want 4 more. Guys, thank you guys.
Ababo ko dani center ba guys?
Guys, thank you.
I'm married you. Your children is disturbing me.
Why?
You love?
They're not going to disturb you. They're going to like you.
Very smart children. Very smart
funny.
children.
You children are going to disturb me. Oh my god.
Or mo gifting
That's so funny. Pav, what the hell, Pav? Thank you so much, Pav.
Worry bijete sani arjat. Rabbi murid na
Your children are going to disturb me.
Ya Rabbi kita na yung garala fist. Kasongo. What is Kasongo people?
Pav, thank you so much.
Bara farangi ko baji no kasi.
Oh, did you change your picture to green? Why did I think it was yellow? Guys, am I bugging out? Was it green?
Oromo gifting kapdani please.
Was it green? Was it always
Oromo.
green? Something looks different about Bob. Maybe he's, I don't know if it's the 20 badge, but I thought it was yellow before.
Magic charge.
Bob Green. Really?
Bilash man ibla de chubar.
Green and mean, I'm fucking dead.
Wallahi. Aya, your family is very strong family.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, because you are too much support you. Strong
Thank you.
family.
You're so kind.
Yes, my family is very moral damage. Wallahi.
It's because I have 6 children, you know? Very difficult.
Me are Roma surprise when I go to Malka. Faranji gubbat.
Yeah, maybe, Bob, but I thought your bee was like yellow before.
Oromo radalan inkab no makhabira. Uman no
Let's just leave. Put your head closer. Come closer. Let's, you know. Oh.
This is my best friend.
Come back. Hello. Lean on me. Lean on me.
Oromo radalan inkab no makhabira.
I didn't change it. Oh, maybe I'm bugging out. I don't know. Gav, thank you so much. Gav, thank you.
Thank you, Aya. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Love you. Have a nice evening.
One
Bye.
more.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.